Hey, what is going on guys, Ben here, and today I'm super excited to be checking out the brand new Oculus Quest 2. Now over the past 3 or 4 weeks, I've gotten the chance to really take my first deep dive into VR, and I have a lot to say about it. But before we get into my thoughts, why don't I show you what comes in the box of this headset. Opening up the box, you can see inside we get this smaller box with the quick start guide and charger, as well as the headset and the 2 motion tracking controllers. Now I also picked up the premium head strap with this. This replaces the included fabric one, and I feel it is a must if you plan to wear this headset for long periods of time. It helps balance more of the weight of the headset towards the back of your head, and overall just relieves and disperses any pressure caused by wearing this headset. Now, other than the included strap, everything about the build quality of this headset is fantastic. It's relatively lightweight considering that there's an entire game console and motion tracking system built inside. And it's got a decent pair of stereo speakers that project straight into your ears, although you can use your own headphones if you like, and the controls are extremely intuitive. It turns on when you put the headset on your face, and you can click and interact with virtual buttons just by pointing your controllers and then clicking the trigger button. You can also see these controllers in virtual space, and they're overall very ergonomic, making it super easy and intuitive to use. Now, when I first picked up this headset, I was a little bit skeptical of just how well it would allow me to get immersed in my environment, considering I didn't have any special play area or large space, and I was really just essentially working around the furniture within my living room. However, the Guardian feature of this headset has to be one of the most impressive things about it. The headset has these 4 IR cameras on the back it uses to track the room and the controllers. When you enter the Guardian setup, it shows you a black and white projection of your actual room, and you can use the controllers to actually draw an outline of your play area that you are safe in. Then it will remember this and warn you as you move around whenever you're about to exit this area. And if you do peek your head outside, it'll slowly transition you back to the real world so you can get back to the play area. You can also reveal the real world at any point by double tapping the side of the headset, which is useful if somebody enters the room or you want to quickly grab something off a table. This feature has worked so consistently for me that I'm 100% confident I won't hit anything when I play, and it really allows me to get immersed within whatever environment I want without the need to set up any tracking cameras or having a large, well-defined play area. And the content that I'm immersed in is quite cool. Oculus uses their own store of apps and games. Games are usually either free or about $10 to $20, which is actually a lot less than other competing consoles like PlayStation or Xbox. And there are a lot of really cool titles on this system, like Beat Saber and my favorite, Superhot. And even though all these games are running on what is essentially a mobile phone processor, all the titles look really good and the gameplay is incredibly immersive. In Superhot, for example, to be able to look around and grab and shoot weapons with accurate precision is really incredible, and it's truly one of those experiences that you have to try to understand. But what I can tell you is that everything that you'd want to work well, from the orientation tracking, the game quality, and the precision controls, works just as well, if not better than you'd expect it to. However, one thing that I actually found myself doing on this headset, probably even more so than playing immersive video games, is watching content. See, because the 2 interior displays fill up your entire vision and can really immerse you into this digital 3D world, you can consume content in ways that you can't typically do on traditional 2D computer screens. For example, I can open up YouTube and watch a video in what appears to my eyes as a massive movie theater screen right in front of me. And because everything is virtual, I can adjust that screen's position and size at a whim. And if the content was shot in 360 originally, it allows me to watch that content filling my entire field of view, so I can look around at the environment and see everything going on, which is quite cool. This headset has also been something that's really cool to show off to my friends. I've invited all of them over to try it out and let me know what they think, and everybody that tried it loved it and thought it was really cool and super fun.
Share them with me, I'd love to.
This is very immersive. Oh my god. Oh my god, I can punch people.
Oh yeah, you're punching people.
Oh my god.
I had like, wow.
Oh, this is way too much fun. Oh yeah, buddy.
That's so cool. I like this so much.
But this is really where the positives of my experience end. See, after the novelty wore off and all of my friends had tried it, I found myself not really using it that much. See, personally, I don't like solo gaming as much as I do communal gaming with friends, and so I found myself not really using this headset that much and just instead going to the PlayStation in the living room to play with whoever's in the apartment. Now, yes, you can project the content that's on this headset onto a television screen. That way everybody in the room can see what's going on. but it's not really the same as playing games with your friends. I also found myself not really wanting to enter the virtual world too often. See, while it's physically easy to do, you just plop on the headset and then you're in, there's this sort of mental block that goes on with transitioning your reality over to this virtual one, and it was mentally draining to do so, and I found myself not wanting to do it all that often. Still though, at $300, it's an incredibly compelling option, and I still think, even though I'm not going to use it all too often, it's worth it to have for that occasional immersive gaming session or video watching experience. Anyway, that's been my unboxing and review of the brand new Oculus Quest 2. If you're interested in actually buying this product, I'll have an affiliate link down below to where you can pick one up. That helps out the channel. But if you enjoyed this video, please hit that like button, leave a comment down below letting me know what you thought, and also make sure to hit that subscribe button so you don't miss any of the really cool videos I'll be uploading very, very shortly. Anyway, that's been it. Thanks, subscribe, and peace out. Catch you all later.